What's up, True Beauty fam, and welcome back to another video and another installment of 24 days of True Beauty. I hope you guys are enjoying the series so far. If you are, then please give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, today's look is inspired by Day Monet and Ariel Monet. I will leave both pictures up on the screen. And yeah, I kind of pulled inspiration from both pictures because I liked the colors that one used. They essentially used the same colors, but I liked the lid on one of theirs better than the others. And I added the rhinestones, which are inspired by Ariel. But anyways, let's just get to the video because it might be long. I don't know. We'll see how editing works out. But yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so to prime my eyes, I'm taking the Maybelline Age 1 concealer. Now I'm going to be taking the BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette, and I'm going to be using a blue and a black shade. I will have a picture inserted of the palette, so now I'm mixing the like royal blue shade with the blue green shade. And now on a big fluffy brush, I'm going to be taking the blue green shade and mixing it with like the periwinkle blue shade. To cut my lid, I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Natural. And I'm going to be using a flat brush to apply that. Next, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt, oh my god, what's it called? Kilowatt something. Highlighter? But it's from her holiday collection. Kilowatt Foil. That's what it is. Oh wait, no. First, I'm going to take the white shade from the BH Cosmetics palette. And now I'm taking Sub-Zero from that Kilowatt palette. I'm putting that in the middle of my eye. And spreading it out towards the outer corner and inner corner. Now in the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to be taking Hard Candy from the Anastasia palette. And I think it's, oh, it's in Gleam. For mascara, I'm taking my Maybelline Big Shot. And for lashes today, I'm going to be using the Azarito Cosmetics lashes in Legendary. And you can use my code Alexa10 to get 10% off. Okay, so while the lashes are drying, I am going to add some rhinestones on my eyes.
Don't drop them.
I'm not going to drop them this time. And I got these from Makeup Forever. Okay, so now for the face, I already have on my primer, and I mixed together my little foundation cocktail, which is Fenty Beauty 430 and Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in Truffle or 362 if you like to go by the numbers. To blend out my concealer, I'm taking my Real Technique sponge. And now we're gonna go to the bottom of the eyes, and I'm just gonna add 3 rhinestones in the middle of my lower lash line, and hopefully that works out for me. The glue literally came off my under eye area. Okay, now we're gonna put some mascara on the lower lash line. Okay, for lips today, I'm gonna be taking first my NYX Slim Lip Pencil in Espresso. Now I'm gonna take the I Love TrueeBeautyy7 X ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in 951. Now I'm taking the I Love TrueeBeautyy7 X ColourPop Lip Gloss, well, ultra glossy lip, and curvy. For contour, I'm going to go into my Black Radiance Beauty contour palette. For highlight today, I'm going to be taking the same Killawatt palette that I've been using. And I think I'm going to take Sub-Zero and Scandalize. Okay, now I'm gonna spray my face down. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another video, which is gonna be a little bit more Christmas related. But yeah,